Hi, it's Ethan Ledger here from loveleaning.com. So is everything going fine with your boyfriend for years, and then one day, bam, all of a sudden, he stopped having sex with you. He stopped calling as much. He stopped laughing at your jokes. He started giving you one-word answers. He stopped looking at you the same way. He started talking in a monotone voice. He started openly flirting with other girls. He kept saying things like, I just need time apart. I need space. It's not you, it's me. Things just aren't the same anymore. We can still be friends. Does this sound like you? Acting depressed so your ex-boyfriend will feel bad for you and wants you back out of pity. Being overly nice and telling him you love him over and over again. Telling your boyfriend you will change and that things will be different next time. Buying him gifts or flowers. Using phony tricks such as money, kids, and guilt to bribe him back. Trying to reason, argue, and use logic to get your ex-boyfriend to come back to you. Hint, men make decisions on emotions and not logic. I'll show you how to leverage his emotions at the link below. All of these things will only push him further away. What actually works seems very counterintuitive, but I assure you it's based on deep-rooted male psychology. I'm talking about the stuff that makes him tick, the stuff he has absolutely no control over. It's how he's biologically programmed to behave. Check out loveleaning.com at the link below to discover the one thing you can do now to get your ex-boyfriend back. Male emotional hot buttons, how to get back at your ex, find out these unfair psychological tricks to make him beg for you back. The quickest and most direct path, no joking, back into his heart, mind, and soul. These things are so counterintuitive, there's no way you would ever think of them. What to say to make him chase you again. Innocent words that make him fight for your love. Next time he pushes you away, say this. Innocent words that make him fight for a second chance. What makes him desperate for a second chance? And a simple way to change his mind and heart. Click below to discover why convincing your ex never works and what does. What not to do unless you want to push him away even further. A simple way to powerfully open up his heart to you again. Find out are you accidentally pushing him further away, and what to say when he shuts you out and gets distant, and the real reason men lose interest. Hint, he'll never tell you what it is. And if there's already another woman, she won't mean anything to him once you're through with him. Discover how to make your ex-boyfriend beg for you back now. There are tons of relationship resources at the personal coaching site loveleaning.com. Discover, do you still have a chance? The callback, step by step. Why the breakup letter can blow up in your face. The awesome power of one word, letting go of toxic emotions, and so much more. And always remember that you can do it. You absolutely can do it. There's nothing stopping you from getting back with your ex-boyfriend except your own motivation and willingness to take action now. Get him back now. Click below. We'll see you on the other side.